Oh, sorry. By all means, allow me to take this opportunity. But that was an oversight. I'm very sorry. To congratulate the MP-elect. You deserve it because the people of Olkalau have said it is you. Yeah, so congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Commissioner Ann. Thank you very much, all our stakeholders. We are very grateful that we waited patiently up to this time. It's now early in the morning. I want to thank sincerely all the voters, IEBC staff, and more importantly, all the security officers. In their big numbers, they have been here, and we have very minimal incidents as a result of your presence here, and that was a great joy to all of us. I remember when we were here during the earlier period of these campaigns, and as we were going around, we had an opportunity to meet some of your leaders here, Senator Medhu here and others, and we gave one solemn commitment. The commitment we gave is that as IEBC, we are going to give you a very impartial election. We will supervise an election that we guarantee you of fairness and a guarantee you of free and fair election. That we have delivered. We are looking forward to 2027 to be even better than what we have given in Olkalau today. Therefore, have your trust in IEBC. It is the only organization you have that is responsible for midwifing the elections in the country. The more you work with us, the better for all of us. The more you bash us, the more we withdraw back. And therefore, we look forward to all the participants, all the leaders who participated in these campaigns. You have seen we have a lot of officers that have been brought here. And this is because this is not just any other contest. This has been a contest of its kind. And therefore, we have to make sure that everything went on very well. And please, don't spend a lot of energy on IEBC. Spend your energy on the electorates, the voters. That's where your energy should be focused on. IEBC will give you a seamless process. Our KIMS machines perfectly worked, 100% without any failure. Everybody was identified through the biometric system. That is the kind of process we guarantee all of you. And therefore, up to this minute, and I want to say up to this minute, we have only one winner. I congratulate the winner, whoever he is, because he has not been announced yet. You know, this ceremony belongs to the returning officer, where I and are just intruding in between. And therefore, I wish success for those who have been, for the person who has been elected by the voters of Olkalau. They have made their statement, it's very clear, and we respect that statement they have made. Thank you so much, and God bless you.